Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be going to Malleshwaram, the OG Malleshwaram in Bangalore. I have lived there when I was a kid. It is my first home in Bangalore, so I always cherish going back there, even if it's for the tiniest reason. Even if I'm going to college and I pass by the roads of Malleshwaram, it's home. That's why I'm gonna be doing this vlog today, and I have some things planned in my mind for the day actually. I mean, there are some, it's actually Saturday today, and I eat vegetarian on Saturdays, so thinking of planning the OG places of Malleshwaram for uh, for the food. Obviously there are a lot of places like Veena Stores, CTR, and there's Rameshwaram as well, but not in Malleshwaram. I don't know, I just wanted to try and see for myself because reviews differ, right? And that is why, I mean, every time I pass by Orient Mall, that Rameshwaram cafe is like filled with people. Let's see where and all we get to go today. Actually going to Malleshwaram to visit some temples, so I'll just vlog the streets of Malleshwaram. I just want that on my channel, guys. That is all. So yeah, keep watching the vlog. There are some interesting stuff that's gonna come throughout the day, and stay tuned, guys. Till then, I'll go get ready and be back. I'm back. I showered and I'm already dressed up. I'm gonna eat breakfast and leave for the day. These pocket sandwiches are my favorite go-to breakfast that my mom makes. I love it. Okay, I got this lip oil from Sugar recently and I wanted to make a shots on it, but until that comes, let us only try this because look at it. Look at the color though. Amazing. Let's see. This is a little too dark, I feel. I'm gonna neutralize this a bit. I have this really nude shade that I'm gonna mix and see and create the ombre effect. Okay, I like that. I think these will go. I mean, the blue part, it's not that visible, and I think contrast works. I actually got these in Kerala because these were really unique. It's been a while since I traveled in bus and I feel like going in bus for some reason. It's just the journey, the vibe and all of that. And auto mein itna garmi, oh my god, we feel like literally pollution is covered all over our face and hair. So let's try going in bus. सीट नहीं मिला तो ऑटो करके जाना पड़ेगा थोड़ी देर में, बट या And we finally found a bus. We had to stand for a while, but then we got a seat thankfully, and then we reached Malleshwaram Circle. Our first stop was the Circle Marama temple, so we went there. I remember every time coming here for Vahana Puja, and there used to be a lot of monkeys and they used to scare me. After the temple visit, we got some prasad. This was a huge plate for one person. We just took one and we shared it. It could totally be our lunch if we had individual plates, but yes, we started walking towards the auto stand to go to the next temple. People were all enjoying their weekends. Even the auto drivers were standing outside the autos, and we had to ask them, will you please take us to the next stop? We went to Mahaganpati temple in 8th Cross, and unfortunately we missed the prasad because it got over. They have this elaborate vegetable market and they had colored roses. We got some for puja at home, and then we went to Asha Sweet Center for their badam milk. And good gods, it tasted so good. I mean, I could have this all day. There's this small slipper store where they have a huge collection. You guys can go check this out. It's in a small gully opposite to Central Bank of India. Also, I remember getting a lot of silver stuff from Mata Piles. It's the OG silver place. And if you want some set jewelry, these were selling for just 200 rupees opposite to Kadam's. Another OG place where we used to go, Jigar Thanda. Oh my god,
Malleshwaram is full of memories. The OG flower market where I used to sometimes go and catch the bus with my best friend during college days. There's so many things that's changed already. There used to be Adigas there. It's some organic mandia now. I don't know what that is, but okay. There's a lot of changes. I just was so busy looking at the street. I was just vlogging random things. There's Belgian waffle there. Amma's has closed. So many things has changed. Show Off's logo has changed. Okay, that did not look like Show Off at all when I saw it for the first time and I was heartbroken. There's the OG Sai Baba temple I used to visit so regularly with my parents. And there's Eat Raja. I wanted to go there since long. I haven't been there yet. Okay, someday maybe. There's so many things that's changed. Oh my god, I got a little sad. And there's a very good egg fried rice place just behind this place. But since it's veg day for us, we went to Rameshwaram Cafe, waiting for our podi, idli, and masala dosa. I just wanted to see what's the hype about. I mean, I really did not want to get podi idli, but still we got it. And the dosa is also here. He told me it will take 10 minutes, but okay. Taste test. Place was so noisy that I had to record it later. But the podi idli did not disappoint. I will give it like 11 on 10. I mean, I was in such a confused state. Like, how can this taste that good? I mean, the hype is real, guys. I just wanted to finish the whole thing. It was that yummy. Even at lunch break, I would have it. Even for dinner, I would have it. It's that kind of a dish. My mom wanted to try the Rameshwaram Cafe because she wanted to see what's the hype about, and she enjoyed the place. I'll tell you guys that much. No wonder there was crowd literally every single day I saw this place. But yeah, the masala dosa for me was pretty average. There was nothing that amazing about it, but I think I've had better, but I'll give it a 8.5 on 10. It's okay. It's manageable. Their sambar had a really good consistency to it. It was not really watery like the other places offer. And we finished our meal with this amazing filter coffee. I am not a coffee person, but I was really eager to try how it would taste. I mean, I'll say it was pretty good. I don't have anything else to compare it with, but for a tea person, it's good. They had a lot of lunch meals too, which we did not try yet. They also had this beautiful decor situation going on, and that's it.
See you next time.
Next, we went to Orion Mall and I saw these shoes. These were these ballet shoes that are going viral currently. But the color, I was a little bit, skeptical about it because it was too bright. I mean, even a little subtle tone would do. But yeah, I put a poll on Instagram asking if I should get it. And this is my mom trying to go and answer no to the poll, literally. I was like, okay, fine, I'm not getting it. Look at these ginormous glasses. Like, oh my god. देखिए 500 ml का कुछ है लगता है. पूरा आ जाएगा इसमें. I don't know. Okay. Look at the shape. But we did get something. क्या लिया हमने वैसे? वो दिख भी नहीं रहा. वो उसके अंदर छुप गया है. But we'll show later. More glasses. These are priced at like 2k for 2 glasses. These are just not appealing in any way for me. I don't know why. ये खरीद के दो. कितने का है गेस करो. कितने का है गेस करो. हाँ 300 800.
We're back and we got a lot of stuff. We went to a lot of places and I'll show you guys some things that I got today because I'll just do a mini haul and then I'll end the video for today. After Rameshwaram Cafe, we were just walking and we saw this chota sa thele wala, where they sell books. I love books, like literally anywhere. If there are book place, I will look. Even if it is on the footpath, even if it is in crossword or anywhere, I will look. When I'm saying this, the camera is already standing on a stack of 5 books and there is a stack of 10 books behind the camera. So First book I got is this. I removed the packing because I was too curious to see what it is about. It's The Art of Letting Go. It's about how to stay connected and not attached. In the third part, they will have some exercises that you have to perform on yourself, and you have to see how quickly you can move on about certain things. It's not only about moving on from a relationship. It's about moving on from situations, moving on from negativity and negative emotions in your life that people cultivate over the years. Okay, it's not like somebody does it just because they want to. It's because of personal experiences that sometimes people end up having negative thoughts, having negative emotions and all of that. So how to deal with all of it and just gain emotional freedom, emotional independence. So I'm gonna make a review of this after reading it completely. I just read the introduction and I loved it. This is the next book, Can We Be Strangers? Again, bookseller was actually very interested in recommending books. He knew a lot about who has written it and all. Matlab obviously wo bech raha hai to he knew, but he told me that this is the first part. I had seen third part ka title was really convincing. I don't remember it, but yeah, this is fiction and this is like non-fiction. And the third book is something I wanted to get from a long time, from Crossword. I've seen it everywhere and I loved the plot. I mean, I know the plot already. I want to read it, I want to experience it. It's like a slow, warm book, and this is the title, Before the Coffee Gets Cold. I love such books. I mean, if it's just a hug to you, like when you read it you feel like somebody is hugging you, somebody is making you feel warm. What else do you need, right? That's what I feel from this book. That's what I will expect from this book, and I hope it will give it to me because I have heard a lot of positive reviews, and it also has a lot of next other parts as well. So I'll do a review video on all of it. Like, I have high expectations from all of these, so let's see if they meet my expectations or not. And if you want more book talk videos, please comment down. I have read a lot of books. I have a lot of books, and I will try to describe the books in like a few sentences for y'all if you have a choice if you want to read it or not. So that's what I will do. But these are the three books. So this book is it's like a coffee place where the coffee, before the coffee gets cold, they can time travel, and I don't know if they are going to make changes in their lives or what. I don't know. It's something like that. So it was like really interesting for me, so I just got it. All of these like costed me around 700 for 3 books. And that's it. We could not go to other places, CTR, Veena stores and all, because by the time we finished the temple visits, it was already 12:30 and the breakfast places closed. And already wahan pe bhi itna prasad we got, so we were kind of full there. Then later, after roaming Malleshwaram, we decided we'll at least do Rameshwaram because there's no point, because I did not show the temple visits. Obviously, there's no, it's not allowed, and I wouldn't, go and film inside the temple and all. So yeah, it had to be something for you all. So I couldn't cover entire Malleshwaram. That is the OG places that I've been to, but there's a lot that has changed. It just reminds you of how fast life changes. So that's it. That was just a wholesome vlog, I guess. Meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. That's it. Bye guys.